Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial series, we are going to learn web development from the basics. First, let's understand the what is web development. The process of designing and developing the web applications using web technologies is known as web development. Purpose of web applications. The main motive is to create web applications. Generally, applications are also known as software tools used to solve real-world problems. Tools for web development. Code editors like Visual Studio Code are used to write the code. Types of applications. First one is standalone application. Standalone application means it runs on a device without needing internet connection or server. Some key points like works independently, installed on a single computer or device, does not depend on the internet, is called a standalone applications like calculator, notepad, paint, offline games. These are under standalone applications. Second one, mobile applications. Mobile applications are apps designed to run on the smartphones or tablets, built for Android or iOS platforms, installed from app stores, play stores, can be run online or offline. Example like WhatsApp, Instagram, Google Maps. These are real-time examples. Third one, desktop application. Desktop applications are designed to run on the desktop or platform operating system, laptop operating systems. Installed on a computer, runs on Windows, Mac OS or Linux, etc. May work offline or online. Examples like Microsoft Word, Adobe Photoshop, Visual Studio Code, WhatsApp web application, like that. Fourth one is distributed applications. Distributed applications is an application where different parts run on a different computers or servers, but work together on a one system. Runs key points. Runs across multiple machines, communicates over a network, usually internet based. Example like banking systems, online multiplayer games. These are the real-time examples. Web applications like web applications are runs inside a web browser or across through the internet. No installation required. Runs in a browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, etc. Hosted on web server. Example Gmail, Amazon, Facebook, online banking websites, etc. These are the real-time examples for the web applications. In our series, we learn about web applications. What is web application? Web application stored on a live server and accessed through the browsers using the internet is called web application. Types of web applications. There are two types, static web applications and dynamic web applications. Static web applications means there is no server-side changes, usually single or simple pages, uses only front-end technologies. Best example for Wikipedia is a static web application. Multiple users search for the same place, it will give same result for the all the users. It is known as static web application. Second one is dynamic web application. Dynamic web application have server-side changes based on the users. It contains multiple pages. Use it to use it front-end and back-end to develop the dynamic web application. Two phases of the web apps, front-end phase and back-end phase. First, we start from the front-end phase. Front-end technology is visible to the users. We use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. Backend technologies works behind the scenes. Core Java, Advanced Java, SQL, Python, Advanced Python, Django, like that. Front-end web technologies. We learn first HTML, CSS, JavaScript, after that React. First of all, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext concept. used to link one web page to another, called hyperlinking. Markup language. HTML depends on tags. Languages using tags are called markup languages. Example of markup languages: HTML, XHTML, XML languages are markup languages. Purpose of HTML: used for building the structure of the web pages. HTML5 is a current version. HTML files use.html is .html is an extension for the HTML file. Browser recognize .html file as a web pages. Without .html file, browser will never consider as a web page. In next video, create your first HTML page and learn the basic structure of the web page, and installation will be done in next video. Thank you for watching.